How to fix deposits suspended on Binance. First, you need to make sure your Binance account is verified. If it's not verified, you are not going to be able to withdraw or deposit crypto on Binance. So do that. And even after doing that, if you're still having error with suspension on withdrawal or deposit, then it might be because that crypto is probably banned on Binance. So if a crypto is banned on Binance, then you cannot deposit that crypto in Binance. In order to deposit a crypto in Binance, it needs to be available. To check if the crypto is available or not, just search for Binance deposit status on your browser, and over here click on the first option. From here, it's going to show you the list of crypto that's available you can deposit on. Right now, this website is probably offline due to their server issue, but in your case, it should show all the crypto which is available to be deposited. From that list, search for the crypto you want to deposit. If it is available, it's good. If it is not, you cannot deposit it. And make sure you're using Binance in a country where it's not banned. If you're in a country where Binance is banned, then of course your deposit is going to be suspended. So in that case, use a VPN. So subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.